morning, chefs.
Morning, chef.
How's everyone?
Good.
Well, time is running, greetings are waiting, and the world is watching. Let's show them our passion on a plate.
Yes.
Now, let's go!
Yes, chef.
Giorno. Carnes. Have a seat. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are thrilled to host you at APAR Restaurante. The dish is plated, so please relax, and it will be brought out to you right away. Thank you. Alright. Thank you, chefs. Ladies and gentlemen, we are thrilled to offer you our classic Italian antipasto, the bruschetta. This is from ancient Rome and it derives from the verb to roast. It is perfectly grilled bread rubbed with garlic, with fresh basil, tomatoes, and the extra virgin olive oil. So please enjoy your meal. Thank you. Thank you.
Was ist das? Na, das schmeckt überhaupt nicht.
Está malísimo. ¿Tú es que lo has probado? Está malísimo. Basura. Chef, çok kötü. Niye böyle? Malísimo.
Ich mag's gar nicht.
La verdad.
Also,
Poco. Poco. Sir,
Non sarà mica una bruschetta questa.
my sincere apologies. We will make sure to prepare the dish right away for you. Chefs, complain. We got a complaint from the floor. Can you believe that? Look at this plate. Did you even taste the bread when you bake it? This is disgusting. Now I don't want to process anymore. Find out exactly what happened and fix this issue right now. ¡Qué terrible!
What happened to the bruschetta?
this one.
Where's the salt? Where's the pepper? Where's the olive oil?
Ladies and gentlemen, say goodbye to cluttered counters and endless searching. We proudly present the future of the Rice Path Simplements Seasoning Navigation Automated Pyramid. More than just a cheap countertop accessory, this innovative pot is the definitive solution to your seasoning needs. Integrating advanced robotics with elegant utility, Snack instantly dispenses your essential flavor builders from salt and pepper to precise streams of balsamic vinegar and the finest extra virgin olive oil. Snack houses every culinary cornerstone, ensuring you have the right ingredients exactly when you need it. It masterfully delivers raw seasonings, making frustrating ingredient searches a thing of the past. With Snap, your perfect dish is now one tap away.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the remade dish, and we'll make sure that this one is the best bruschetta you can taste. Jared.
Excuse me, chef.
Oh, How may I help you,
Hi,
ma'am?
good morning. Can I have the same exact dish that you served on that table?
Right away. Sure.
Thank you.
Guys, I need one. Okay. Thank you. Service? Oh.
Oh, this is good. Congratulations, very good. Bravissimo. This dish proves that everything should be made a la perfección, even in the smallest bite.
Thank you.
This being said, I award you a Michelin star. This restaurant deserves a Michelin star. Earned on that extravagant and extraordinary boost. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, and we call this the perfect guess. So the game is simple. We just need to know two players. So this game we call it circle and knockout. Start now. No. So guess what? Okay, yes, now top is. And the price is the brand new. On to our next little 12. The timer starts now. Alright, thank you everyone, and we hope that you guys visit A-Par Restaurante. Happy.